Good morning, children. Children, let us know more about the same lesson we are learned in the last class, that is fiber to fabric. So, in the previous class also we learned about fiber to fabric. So, in the last class we learned different types of the animals. For example, sheep, goat, camel. So, and then yak. So, these types of the animals are raised to get the wool, is it? So, sheep, it is an animal. They are very common in Tibet and Ladakh. So, and then these animals are bred for the purpose to get the wool, is it? And then Angora goat, it is a type of goat. So, it is found in hilly regions. It is found in hilly regions such as Jammu and then Kashmir. So, under the skin, it has a very soft hair. Okay, children. Angora wool, it is obtained from Angora goat. So, it is found in hilly regions such as Jammu and Kashmir. So, this is reared for to get the wool, is it? And then wool is also obtained from the goat hair, is it? Wool is also obtained from goat hair. So, the under fur or skin of Kashmir goat is soft. So, for this area of this fleece is woven into fiber to make the shawls. So, it is woven into the shawls called pashmina shawls. We have learned in the last class, is it? Pashmina shawls are made from the goat called Kashmir goat. Because this goat have the under fur of Kashmir goat is soft, that's why this goat's wool is used to make the pashmina shawls. And then another goat or another type of camels. Camels' ears are also used to make the wool. Isn't it? For example, alpaca and then llama. Is it, children? They are found in South America. So, they are also reared to get the wool. Is it? So, llama and then alpaca, they are the camels found in South America. They are reared to get the wool. Okay, children, we have learned about this in the last class. Today we are going to know, that is from fiber to what is that? Wool. From fiber to wool. How the fibers are converted into wool. So, first, the animals are reared. Listen, children, for obtaining wool, sheep are reared. For obtaining what? Wool. So, their sheep are reared. Is it? So, then their hair is cut and processed and then converted into wool. Is it, children? Modulu, a sheep animal they are reared, ಸಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. Is it? So, ಅದರ ಬಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಏರ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the hair is cut and then that is processed. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ wool ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. They are converted into wool. So, first, for obtaining wool, sheep are reared. They are reared. Then their hair is cut, is it? Their hair is cut and processed to yes, that is processed to wool. They there are so many steps are involved. So many steps are involved to process or to convert the fiber into wool. Okay, children. So see here, for obtaining wool, sheets are converted into, they are there to get there or to cut the air. So children, so ಮೊದಲು ನಮಗೆ wool ಸಿಕ್ಕಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಮೊದಲು ಆ ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದರ ಬಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದಂತ ಏರನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೊ ಫೈಬರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ yarn ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ yarn is used to make the cloths, to knit the sweaters, to make the shawls or carpets, anything. Okay, so first the peoples are raped the animals called sheep to get the wool. So then rearing and breeding of sheep. So next one, rearing and breeding of sheep. Rearing and breeding of sheep. Rearing and breeding of the animal called sheep. So if you travel to the hilly regions, so hilly regions such as Jammu and Kashmir or Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, and then Arunachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab, Gujarat. So in these places you can see shepherds. You can see shepherds taking the herds of sheep for grazing. So if you travel or if you visiting such a places, for which places? So hilly regions such as Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, then Uttaranchal, Arunachal Pradesh, Gujarat, Punjab and Rajasthan. So in this place you can see shepherds taking the herds of sheep for grazing. So here you know that sheep is herbivorous and carnivorous. Yes, herbivorous. Sheep are herbivorous. They are preferred to eat grass and leaves. So in the region, in the hilly region, such as, if you travel in this or if you visit this places such as Himachal Pradesh, then Jammu, Kashmir, and Kashmir, then Arunachal Pradesh, then another one, Gujarat, then Rajasthan, so Gujarat, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh. So another one, Punjab. So in this region we can see shepherds, andre kurigalanna ಮೇಯಿಸೋರು. Shepherds, they taking the herds of sheep. So ಆ sheeps ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ for grazing, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಯಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ. Okay, so in these hilly regions such as Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Arunachal Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan and Punjab, you can see shepherds taking the herds of sheep for grazing. Is it? So this sheep are herbivorous. They eat or they feed on, they prefer to eat grass and leaves. Is it? animals are herbivorous. That's why they prefer to eat grass and leaves. Sheep are herbivorous. And they prefer to eat grass and leaves. So apart from this grass and leaves, the shepherds or the rearers, they also feed them. They also feed these sheep on a mixture of. So mixture of pulses, oil cakes, corn, jowar and minerals. So they rearers. They rearers means sheep na ಮೇಯಿಸುವಂತವರು or shepherds. Okay. So shepherds are sheep rearers. So they apart from this grass and leaves, they also feed this animal the mixture of jowar, corn, pulses, oil cakes and then minerals. So what is the meaning of oil cakes, children? Oil cakes means it is the material left out after taking the oil from seeds. So seed in the oil and teged mele ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೋ, that's called as the oil cakes. That is called as oil cakes. So the mixture of this, the rearers, the sheep rearers give the or feed the sheep. Okay. The rearers feed them on a mixture of what is that? Corn, then pulses, along with this pulses, jowar, oil cakes and minerals. So grass leaves alone ಈ mixture sheep rearers they give this mixtures, the rearers give this mixtures for the sheep. So what is the meaning of oil cakes? Oil cakes means it is a material left out after taking oil from seeds. So that we call as oil cakes. So see children, the rearers feed them means they feed the sheep on a mixture of corn, pulses, jowar, oil cakes and minerals. So I told this apart from this. Okay. So then sheep are herbivorous. They eat this type of the food, is it? So then in winter season, during winter season, sheep are kept indoor. They are kept indoor and fed on the leaves. They fed on leaves, grass and then grains and dry fodder. So the rearers give the dry fodders, grains and then leaves during the winter season for the sheep. You understand children? During winter or in winter season, sheep are kept indoors. ಅವರುಗಳನ್ನ ಇಂಡೋರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆನೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ and then what type of the food they will give? They feed. The rearers fed on the mixture of pulses and then leaves, grains and dry fodders. So during winter season, sheep are kept indoor winter, sheep are kept indoors and fed on. That means they eat. Fed them. So pulses or grains, leaves and dry fodder. Dry fodder. So they will give this type of food to eat for the which animal? For the sheep during the winter season. So sheep are reared in many parts of our country. Is it for the purpose of wool? Is it? So sheep are reared in many parts of our country to get the wool. Is it? Sheep are reared in many parts of our country for wool, up to obtain wool. Is it, children? So that's why the raiders raid these animals for the purpose of to get the wool. So here is some table I have given. See this. So what this table indicates, children? So this table gives the names of different breeds of sheep. So this table gives the names of some breeds of sheep. And then they are reared in different states of our country. They are reared in different states of our country, and this table also gives the quality and then texture of the fibers obtained from them or obtained from the different breeds of the sheep. So this table also indicates the quality and texture of the fibers that is obtained from the breeds, from the different breeds of the sheep. So children, would you indicate this table? This table gives the names of different breeds of the sheep. Okay, and also this table indicates the quality of the sheep, and then quality and texture of the fibers that is obtained from the different breeds of the sheep. Understand? So ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬೇರೆ ಬ್ರೀಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಶೀಪ್ಸ್ ಅದರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಯಾವ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಇದೆ ಆ ಫೈಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಓದ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಫೈಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. So this table or this column shows in which state of our country these types of the breeds are raised. So this last column shows different parts or different states of our country. So that states raise this type of the breeds of sheep. Understand it, children? So the table gives the different regions or sheep or there are different breeds of sheep that is raised in our country to get the wool. Okay. So first one, Lodi. I am going to read it, children, one by one. So listen it carefully. So see here, this table gives the names of different breeds of sheep. So this column shows the quality and texture of the fibers that is obtained from the different breeds of the sheep, and this column shows the states, different states of our country. So that states or that region raise this type of the different breeds of the sheep. Okay, first one I am going to read it, children. First one is Lodi. So it is the name of the sheep breed. So what is the quality of this? What is the quality of this called lohi. It is a good quality wool. So in which states this lohi is raised? In Rajasthan, Punjab. So lohi sheep, it is found in Rajasthan and then Punjab. So next one is Rampur Busher. So this is the Rampur Busher is the name of the sheep. It is the breed of the sheep. So its quality of wool, it is brown fleece. It is the quality of this Rampur Busher, brown fleece. So this Rampur Busher are found in Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh. Is it children? In which state of our country? So Rampur Busher breed is grown or reared Uttar Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh. So next one is Nali. So this one is what is the quality of this breed? That is carpet wool. So this wool is used to make the carpet. So then, in which state of our country this Nali breed of a sheep breed is grown or raised? In Rajasthan, Haryana and then Punjab. So Nali is a breed of sheep. It is found in Rajasthan, Haryana and then Punjab. So next one is Bakarwal. So Bakarwal is a name of the sheep breed. So the quality of wool is for woolen shawls. It is used to make the woolen shawls. So its wool, Bakarwal wool is used to make the woolen shawls. It is found, this breed Bakarwal is found in Jammu and Kashmir. So next one is Marwari. So this is a name of sheep breed. Its quality of wool is coarse wool. It is very hard. So coarse means hard. So the it is a coarse wool. It is this Marwari breed of sheep breed is found in Gujarat. So lastly, Patanwadi. So next one is Patanwadi. It is the name of the sheep breed. So the quality of this wool is for hosiery. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ ಹೂಲಿದು. It is the quality of the Patanwadi. Yes, Patanwadi breed of sheep. So this is what is the quality of this wool? So it is used for hosiery. It means it is used to something na odikiyagi use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So in which state this one is found? Patanwadi is found in Gujarat. Patanwadi is a sheep breed. It is found in Gujarat. Children, do you understand? So this is the some Indian breeds of sheep. So this table shows that some Indian breeds of sheep, children. So certain breeds of sheep, they have thick coat of hair on their body. So which is good quality wool in large quantities. So certain breeds of sheep, not all. So certain breeds of sheep, they have thick coat of hair on their body. Okay. So this one yields good quality wool in large quantities. So I have mentioned earlier about the selective breed, children, is it? As mentioned earlier, these sheep are selectively breed. So these sheep are selectively breed. So with one parent, they are being a sheep of good breed. So children, selectively breed means one the parent sheep na select ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಹಾಫ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಅದು ಹಾಕುವಂಥ ಮರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಥರ? ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಸೊ ಅಂಡರ್ ದೇರ್ ಫರ್ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಹೇರ್. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಫರ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಫ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಥರದನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ selectively breed. So already I have mentioned in the last class about this, is it? So these sheep are these sheep are selectively breed. So that means with one parent being a sheep of good breed. So ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು parent ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ good breed ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So once the red sheep have grown. So once the red sheep have developed a thick growth of age. So their ear is shaped for getting wool, isn't it? So children, already have mentioned about this selectively breed. So all the sheep they are selectively breed with one parent being a sheep of good wool or good breed. So being a sheep of good breed. So ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು parent ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಬ್ರೀಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ತರ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ once the red sheep have developed thick hair on their body, that hair is shaved off for getting wool. So ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಆ ರೇಸ್ ಆಗಿದಂತ ಶೀಪ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ, ಸೊ ಅದರ ಬಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಹೇರನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ to get the wool. Understand the children? So I hope you are all understood about this lesson. In this lesson we learned about some Indian breeds of sheep. Is it children? So let us continue in the next class we are going to know more about the processing of the wool. How the wool is converted into yarn. Then in turn the yarn is converted into cloths or sweaters. Then we will going to learn in the next class. Okay, thank you children.